I'm working on the saw on the workbench.
We can get a charged battery, you know.
So close.
What's the matter?
I think I'm hitting a screw. That sounded like metal. Get it back! Made it.
That hole. Woo. Cool. What's our problem? Oh, just barely, huh?
Just a little bit tight. I don't have a bench sander. Close enough. And I'll have to sand a radius and and the plan is that in.
Happy New Year. Bring on 2021.
That's roughly the center. Hopefully we got a point marked underneath. Can you bring me one of those lag poles? I guess I'm gonna go half inch. Oh my gosh, look at that. That's what you come here for. The expertise.
What's up?
Just making some adjustments here.
Cool, look at that.
Trying to do this all out of leftovers. Good, really, but or to space this up, this is gonna look really special. You married a hack, not like in a positive sense.
I like my hack. Not really sure what that means. Hi, puppy.
Check out my nuts.
Look at those nuts. Oh, look at that.
Look at that. Even
That
got
is
the
cute.
faces lined up.
That is cute.
Yeah, whatever.
Look, it's attached. Much better.
Plywood's gotten stupid expensive. These planks are less than $1.50. If I were to do this in half-inch plywood, it'd be at least $30. I'm not doing that.
What'd you do?
Nice little drawer keeper shutters. This now my insert, and I'm not using the saw. Stays in pretty good.
Nice.
And then when you're done, just take it out. And when it's done, and here it is with the saw folded down. So you've got a nice flat work surface. So if I'm using other tools from inside, I can just load up the cart, roll it out here. I've got mobile power kind of platform and battery charging. If I ever run the saw, I'll have most of the sawdust and mess will stay outside. So that's the goal. Then when it's all done, thanks for watching, everybody. See you later.